Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials day 85. Please make sure to read our full disclaimer, which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform. Today I'll be taking you through a frappe exercise, and the ideal footwear is either barefoot, socks or ballet shoes, however you feel most comfortable. Please make sure you have a clear area around you, free of any obstacles so you do not harm yourself or others. Okay, so we're going to start fifth position, left hand on the bar. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to frappe front, piqué, double side, frappe back, piqué, double side. Now we're going to do double en croix. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to petit battements, 6, 7, open 8. We're going to do the same thing to the back. Piqué, double side, front, piqué, double side. Now double all the way around. 2, 3, 4, petit battement, 6, 7, finish 8. Whenever you're ready. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Goodbye!